Shop smarter with BrainyBuyer.com and support smarter by subscribing. Your click means more unbiased tests, clearer charts, and fewer decision headaches. So we're looking at two Weber Grills, right? The Q1200 and the Spirit E-310. Big price difference, huh?
Yeah, the Q1200 is around $259, while the Spirit E-310 is significantly more at $619. What do you get for that extra cash?
Well, for starters, the Spirit is way bigger. The Q1200 only has 189 square inches of cooking space, while the Spirit boasts 529. That's a huge jump.
Definitely. And the Spirit has 3 burners compared to the Q1200 single burner, putting out 8,500 BTUs. The Spirit is going to heat up faster and more evenly, I imagine.
Absolutely. The Spirit's got porcelain enameled cast iron grates, which are great for heat retention, and the Q1200 has the same.
Right. Both Weber, so you know the quality is there. The Spirit is heavier, though, like almost 117 pounds compared to the Q1200's 30. Not exactly portable.
True. The Q1200 is designed to be portable. Runs on those small propane cylinders. The Spirit uses a standard LP tank. Think tailgating versus backyard barbecue.
Gotcha. The Spirit also has tool hooks and a grease management system, which sounds convenient. The Q1200 has folding side tables, which is nice for a smaller grill.
And the Q1200 is fully assembled, which is a plus. The Spirit requires assembly. But honestly, Weber grills are usually pretty straightforward to put together.
So, if you're grilling for a crowd regularly, the Spirit E-310 seems like the way to go, even with the higher price. But if you need something portable and compact for smaller meals, the Q1200 is a solid choice.
Exactly. It really depends on your needs. Do you need size and power, or portability and convenience? And of course, how much you're willing to spend. Both are good grills. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.